In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join private Discord server. This is a quick and straightforward process, and I'll walk you through it so you know exactly what to expect and how to avoid common hiccups along the way. To begin, you'll need an invite link. A private server doesn't show up in search, so the only way in is through that link. Typically, you'll receive it directly from the server owner, a moderator, or a friend who already has access. Sometimes you might find it posted in a trusted group or message. Make sure the link comes from a source you trust, since invites can be shared widely. Also, keep in mind that some invite links can expire after a certain time or have a limited number of uses, so if it doesn't work later, that might be why. Once you have an invite link, just click on it. You can tap it from a message, email, or post, or copy and paste it into your web browser's address bar. When you follow the link, Discord will automatically open, either in your desktop app, your mobile app, or your browser. You'll see a preview of the server, usually showing the server name, icon, and a button that says something like Join or Accept Invite. This is your confirmation screen, so you can double-check that you're joining the right place. From here, simply click the Invite button and join the server. That's it. Discord will add the server to your sidebar, and you'll land inside the community. Depending on how the server is set up, you might be taken to a welcome or rules channel first. Some servers show a brief overview of what they're about, their guidelines, and which channels are available. If you see a notice that the invite is invalid or expired, it usually means the link is no longer active or you don't have permission to join, so you can ask the person who shared it for a fresh invite. After you're in, you're good to go. You'll see the channel list on the left and can start exploring the spaces that interest you. If it's a busy server, don't worry. Channels are organized by topic and you can take your time browsing. If notifications feel intense, you can always adjust them later inside the server settings to match your preferences. And that's all there is to it. Get the invite link, click it, and join. Simple, secure, and fast. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new community.